Is your machine showing an alarm 10? I'm here to tell you what it is and how you can fix it. An alarm 10, even after releasing the e-stop, typically indicates an active safety trigger, such as a loose cable, malfunctioning inductive sensors, or a motor that needs a reset. Here are some of the common reasons why this error comes up. A sensor could have loose wires, not be connected properly, or the sensor itself could be faulty. With the older style limit switches with non-integrated bump stops, the sensor could be set too far back, preventing the machine from clearing the error. A motor driver could have been tripped, often causing a flashing red LED on the controller, or a motor wire is loose. Here are some of the ways that you can diagnose this to fix what's going on. Check the wire harness on the e-stop to make sure it's properly fully seated in both the controller and the back of the e-stop itself, and that there are no loose wires. If there are loose wires, use a small flathead screwdriver to loosen the terminal, reinsert the wire, and tighten it back up. Check the e-stop button to ensure that it has not been just released, but properly unlatched. Rotate it clockwise. Next, you're going to want to try resetting the controller. Turn the controller off and then back on, and then try clearing the alarm using the unlock button in gSender. Have a look at the back of each sensor. Check that all 3 inductive sensors have their indicator lights off. If one is red and is triggered, readjust the sensor position. Check for motor errors in the console. So you're going to want to open the console and look for a motor warning message above the alarm code. If there is a motor warning, you know it's not your e-stop malfunctioning, and you can diagnose which motor is causing the alarm to be triggered. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Happy carving.